Recently, there was a very extensive study spanning 85 years on what makes people the happiest. And the conclusion came to 2 factors: 1, looking after their health, and 2, having loving relationships with others. I'm a psychotherapist, and that got me wondering why, in this age when we're so socially connected on the internet, are rates of depression and anxiety and loneliness skyrocketing? Our brain is evolutionarily wired to drive us to connect with other humans face to face so that our species can survive. When we do, our brain rewards us by releasing the bonding chemical oxytocin, which fulfills our basic need for love and connection. Imagine this warm pitcher of tea is oxytocin, but imagine this glass of whipped cream is dopamine, the main brain chemical you get when you're interacting online on social media. The more you rely on online communication like social media, the more dopamine you get until you just have a big glass of frothy, empty calories, leaving you needing more to feel satiated, yet you never do. In the meantime, the more time you spend online and less communicating face-to-face, your oxytocin levels start to become depleted, short-circuiting your primal brain, leaving you feeling pretty much empty, anxious, and depressed. So how do we replenish our oxytocin to balance out our use of social media? There are some simple things you can do throughout the day. First of all, listening to music. A 2009 study of heart patients showed those listening to music while recovering had higher levels of oxytocin and recovered better. Yoga and meditation. Some small studies have shown people who practice yoga and meditation have higher levels of oxytocin. Although a direct link hasn't been proven, there's reason to believe there is one. Doing something nice for another person. Acts of random kindness boost your oxytocin. Cooking or sharing a meal with someone. A study of chimpanzees showed that eating together boosts their oxytocin. Watching a good movie with a good story. When you cry or laugh while watching a movie, you connect to a story and it stirs feelings of social connection to a shared experience. Really listening to someone and sharing empathy creates a bond with the other person. And finally, petting a dog. Research shows that cuddling a pet boosts your oxytocin levels as well as theirs. Yeah. The bottom line is, unless our evolutionary wiring changes overnight, trying to find long-term emotional well-being through the internet is biologically impossible. Replenishing your oxytocin levels and resetting your primal brain when depleted by artificial cyber interactions helps stave off depression and loneliness. Now, that all said, if you'd like to spread a little dopamine, hit that subscribe button and give us a like, and we'll see you again next time.